my name is Aisha.
And my name is Sherry.
So today we're gonna do some interesting experiments, which is
The Oobleck experiment. Why is it so hard to get out of quicksand? Is it a solid or is it a liquid? Or can it be both? In this activity, we are going to make a substance that is quite similar to quicksand, but much more fun.
more familiar substance change state from solid to liquid to gases when we change the temperature, such as freezing water into ice or boiling it away into steam. But this simple mixture shows how change in pressure instead of temperature can change the properties of some materials. Is it true or not? We will find out in this experiment. Come,
Don't waste our time.
Yes, sudah tua dah.
oh my god,
Berjaya. Hold on.
Kalau bilik kita letak air baru letak.
Why not? We test this experiment on strangers. Jom. Okay, hi. Excuse me.
This is called Oobleck.
Yes,
Oobleck.
an Oobleck experiment.
Wherever you want.
Yes.
Oh my god, what's that?
Try.
It's so hard. It's so hard? Yes. Is it solid or liquid? Both. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Gosh, it's
The
hard.
water does not splash.
Yes. It's amazing that from this cornstarch can turn into.
A substance which we call Oobleck.
Okay guys, that's all from us today.
We hope you understand from A to Z, and we are going to proceed to the next video.
Hi, my name is
Shafira.
My name is Fudla.
My name is Erdina.
So our next experiment is
Implosion.
The purpose of this experiment is to understand the effects of changing air pressure.
Air pressure is all around us, whether we feel it or not.
This experiment will demonstrate how air pressure affects the objects around us. The conclusion in this experiment is
The higher the heat exerted,
the higher atmospheric pressure.
how was it?
it's amazing, right?
So, if you want to try this experiment at home, please make sure your parents is around. Okay? Thank you.
That's all for today.
Thank you for watching this video.
Special thanks to Madam Razila.
Thank you, madam.
1, 2, 3.
So hard to get out of.
The probability. True or not? Allah lupa. Cornstarch.
Yang tu last.
Pakcik mana?
Pakcik tu sepatutnya merokok ni.
Lighter.
Kat selalunya
Kau
kat
minta kawan get. Pakcik ada lighter.
Hi.
Ada objects. How? Nanti kan susah.
Dah.
Higher atmosphere.
Thank you.
Kita tu nak ada
Whether we feel it or not.
Apa kata kita try? Ya Allah.
Hi. Asal bye. Thank
Oi.